right out of Southern California. We have a beautiful, genuine super sport Chevelle 1966. Has a 396 motor, factory air, power steering, power brakes, console, knee knocker tachometer, automatic, beautiful condition from top to bottom. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 highly restored collectible cars, all for sale. Each one has the monthly payment and a price tag, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is looking really slick. My daughter bought it. My first impression is a really good one. Let's check it out. Absolutely straight. It's got the 66 scoops. Lines up completely square, flush. All these lines, all nice, straight, smooth along the bottom. I've never opened this door personally. Let's see how it does. Opens real easily. It means it's going to shut very easily. Doesn't get any better. No vinyl top, just all beautiful Regal Red paint. That is the original color. This is all looking real good. I don't see any issues. Smooth, glossy. I mean, the gaps are really good on this car. All this is excellent. All smooth, all along the bottom and around the wheel well. No rust, no damage, no bubbles. That door lines up spot on. Super nice. I jammed my thumb this morning. It actually hurts, and I still opened it with no problem. All straight, smooth, glossy, shiny. Real nice, beautiful, straight, clean body. The paint is gorgeous. Of course, there's going to be a minor flaw here or there, or nick touched up, but nothing of significance at all. The little hood ornament's nice and shiny. Up front, the bumper is a 7 or 8 out of 10. The grille, all of that's in really nice shape. Yeah, that bumper is at least an 8. There's really nothing wrong with it. Has the cross flag emblems. I love that emblem. Nice and shiny. These are correct for 1966, a mag hubcap with the phony lug nuts. They're in excellent shape. Tires are radial Redline BFGoodrich. Still has the nubs showing, so they have hardly any miles. The windshield crystal clear, that's new. Has dual bow tie mirrors, one on each side. The rubber seal around the vent window, nice and soft, that's been replaced. All the trim is shiny and straight. Door handles. Rear mounted antenna. A lot of them were in the front fender. I kind of like it back here. It's a little bit of an angle. Shiny Super Sport emblems. All of this trim is real nice. All been replaced. Yeah, this bumper is an 8 or better. The rear window is really clear. Normally they're all scratched up. Trying to see if it's been replaced or not. It must have been. It's crystal clear. It's got a nice stance. So what a beautiful car on the outside. Let's see if it's just as beautiful inside. Okay, let's open up the trunk. Oh yeah, nice and clean. The underside of the trunk lid painted red. Stickers were replaced. The jamb is painted red. The weather strip is replaced. All clean metal throughout the trunk compartment with a nice gray spatter finish. Looks like it does have a reproduction jack. Has a lug wrench. Matching radial tires, never been used. Still has the nubs on it. Painted rim. All the rims are painted underneath those hubcaps. So very clean and complete. That's how it should be. Go to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as the videos are posted. Got some great cars in the works for you. Door jambs are all painted real nice and slick too. Weather strips fit nicely. Door panels look great. Door handles, window cranks, armrests. It's all looking real good. Dash area is nice. It's an air-conditioned car. It has the vents. All nice and clean. Dash pads replaced. Knee knocker tachometer, and you can guess why they call it that, but that's correct for a 68 as an option. All just nice and clean. It has the owner's manual in the glove box. The light is working. Push the button in. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are really nice. Chevelle embroidered mats. Center console's in excellent shape. Actually, I think it's new. Has a clock, the optional clock. Right twice a day. Seat belts, believe it or not, were an option in 66. This has them front and back. I could tell right away when I got in here, these are rebuilt. Look how firm that is, like a drum. All nicely upholstered, nice cushions. All this is real nice. Same thing in back. You got working light at the back of the console. The carpet and floor mats are all real nice. Upholstery looks really good. Side panels, armrest, window cranks, all been replaced. Has the correct mesh rear shelf. Headliner's been replaced. Remember these little hooks to hang your hanger? You gotta tighten that screw. When you went to the dry cleaner, you'd hang your clothes there. Working dome light, matching visors are new. The mirror looks new. It has the correct style 66 steering wheel. Let's go see what's under the hood. All right, this is full of good stuff. A big block motor is at the heart of it. It is a genuine 1966 Chevelle 396, making 325 horsepower. All stock, manifolds, brackets, the big air cleaner on top, the stickers, the chrome valve covers, all stock. Spark plug wires are run neatly, stock exhaust manifolds. So it's a factory air car, so it's got all this stuff here. Has updated with 134 Freon, and it's been serviced. Battery is properly secured. Everything up here is nice and clean. The radiator, the right shroud, all stock. Pulleys, brackets. Has power steering, and it has the remote reservoir. That was correct. Squirters are hooked up. Alternator looks brand new. We've got power brakes, got a new wiper motor. The metal surfaces are all painted up nice. Under the hood looks really good, has the hood insulations. Michael's going to take you for a drive. We'll see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody, got a beautiful Chevelle here to cruise today. Nice day. I'm going to take her off for a spin. This one's got a 396 under the hood, Power Glide automatic transmission, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes on it. Pretty nicely optioned. Bucket seats and center console. Does have the little clock down there. I don't see it ticking though, so just be aware of that. Knee knocker tack is a really cool option that is working. Just a great looking restoration on this one. Started very easily, just a tap of the key really, and yeah, running strong. See, suspension's handling all the bumps, cracks in the road very nicely. Kind of, it's been all redone, but it is kind of stock as far as the suspension and steering goes. Definitely encourage you to go on our website and check out all the undercarriage pictures, because this one is very impressive. You know, all nice new parts, all very clean, everything totally restored. You see it's got a nice clean idle on it. Looks like it's sitting about 800 or so. And yeah, well, let's see what she's got. We'll go easy on her. It's real cold out today, so. Oh, we do have the heater on. That is working. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Yeah, more than adequate acceleration, more than adequate power. See how this one goes down the road here? Nice, beautiful straight alignment. I mean, that's about as good as they get, folks. Very, very nice all the way around. It's a great experience. This power steering is very easy to use. I don't know if I can show you real quick. It's just nice and tight. See how we're barely making any motion to go ahead and switch lanes here. Just have a very nice smooth brake pedal as well. Just a really fun car. Get in, hit up all your local shows, ice cream shop, everything like that. I think it's only like 27 degrees or something, so again, the heater does run very nicely. We're not going to get a chance to check the air conditioning, of course, because of the weather, but that is supposed to be working. And the seats feel good, you know, they have been recovered, got a nice cushion to them, and yeah, all is good. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. We did have a little service bill on it. We tinkered with a bunch of things on it. Our total was about $1,600, and that covered things like putting a different carburetor spacer plate in, fixing the horn, you know, just a bunch of basic little things. Excuse me. And I have a really nice running, driving vehicle. So definitely contact our sales department. Come out and test drive this one if you'd like to. We're totally transparent and we welcome you guys here. Just make sure to give us about a day's notice because all the cars are in a museum setting. But outside of there, check out all the details and the full description on volocars.com.
So underneath the car is really clean, and I was mostly impressed with the floors. They seem like they're immaculate. The braces, the floors, they're not pitted, they're not patched up. Nice satin black finish, looks really good. Front end, you can see new components up there. All the steering and suspension is great. Same thing in the back, the springs, the bushings, the shocks, they all look relatively fresh. The fuel tank is new. New factory style dual exhaust system. Brake system's been checked out, working great. E-brake is hooked up. Look up at the motor, it's nice, clean Chevy orange. High performance is cast right on the side of the block. Proper starter, flywheel covers there. Correct power glide automatic transmission. In back, it's a 12-bolt rear end. We were told it has 373 gears. So just a nice cruiser with all those options. Going to be comfortable. It's going to be a pleasure to drive, and you're going to get compliments. Just look at it. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Chevelle to your driveway. And if you need help with financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.